Hi students. Today we are going to discuss about the cloud service providers. We have lot more cloud service provided, but in that very main thing we are going to be discuss, that is Amazon, Oracle, IBM. Before getting to the cloud service provider, what is cloud service provider? Why we need require the cloud service provider? Cloud computing is an application-based software infrastructure that store data on remote servers which can be accessed through the internet. Cloud computing service provides usually maintain multiple copies of the data to mitigate instance of security threats, data loss and data breach. So it is required. It is not that you have to take a infrastructure and you take the to storage data, and it is very difficult to store your data. Means in nowadays we have very huge data sets, so it is very difficult that to store our data in we take a database, and to store it is very difficult, so we will take a help from the cloud service providers. We will take to store our data because we are creating the huge data. So to store that, we don't have the sufficient storage space. So what we are going to do, instead of taking our own, just we are asking to our data to store in the cloud, so we are taking the help from the other peoples. So to that, it will be easy for us. We can store our data in the cloud service. Okay, in how we can use it, how it is be useful to us. Okay, cloud computing is web-based computing which allow us business from where all it is working and where all it is helpful. Okay, allow business and individual to consume computing resources such as virtual machine, database, processing, means processing, memory, services, storage, messaging, means if you want messaging, events, and pay as you go. The cloud service often improve upon older one. See, it is not that if you take the space, how much space it is. Once if you taking the space, it is not that the space they are not taking the amount, how much you are utilizing. When you are utilizing that much only you need to pay. That is only we will call as pay as you go. So it is very important. For example, the similar to water connection or electricity line, you have a meter, and this meter keeps track of your monthly usage. So it is very easy for us. It is not that if you take the space, it is not the fixed monthly you need to pay so and so amount. It is not the fixed one. If you are using, then you can pay. So this is the one we will call as pay as you go. Pay as you go. So it is very important and it is very useful when you are taking a cloud service provider. Okay, so in that we have, I said that in the beginning, we have lot more service provider. In the top 10 cloud service provider, means I listed here. The first one, Amazon Web Service. The second one, Microsoft Azure. Next, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud, Oracle, Salesforce, SAP, Rack Space Cloud, and VMware. So these all little means lot more it is there. It is not that only this much only we have a cloud service provider. We have lot more. So I taken that very top 10 cloud service provider. In that, out of this, I'm going to explain only the three important things. The one is the Amazon, that is AWS, how it is be working, what all the service we are getting from that, and the second one, we are going for the Oracle cloud, and third one is IBM cloud. Only I am going to discuss in this class only three service provider. The first one, Amazon Web Service. What it is, how it is be providing, what all the service we are getting from the AWS. Amazon Web Service is an Amazon company that was launched in the year 2002. AWS is the most popular cloud service provider in the world. Okay, Amazon Web Service is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, offering over 165 fully featured service from data center globally. This service is used by millions of the customers. Millions of the customers they are using. Okay, AWS revenue in the year 2018 was $25.6 billion with a profit of 7.2 billions, but the revenue is expected to grow to 70 billion in 2021. So you can expect that how much they are expecting from us, how much the people are using the cloud. Okay, so just it is a basic introduction. So now I'm going to explain what all the service we are getting from the Amazon AWS. Yes, okay. So it provides service such as a compute power, okay, database storage, content delivery, and many other function. Service are flexible. It is so flexible, scalable, reliable, okay, and you can access highly durable storage. You can use a highly durable storage. For example, where all the storage means you can use Amazon S3, Amazon EBS. Okay, so these all the plays means this is all very important. So it's using the storage is very durable. Next, high performance database. High performance database means which all it is there: Amazon Redshift, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon Elasticache, and Amazon RDS. These all the things are using in AWS. Okay, now the second one is Oracle Cloud. What is the Oracle Cloud? So in this Oracle Cloud, what all the service we are getting from that? Okay, this provides servers. First, it's a servers. Cloud is storing. We need a server. That is first server, storage, network, application, and service through Oracle Corporation mentioned the data center used to build. What all the work we can do when you're taking, what all you can do in the help of that, you can build something, you can build and deploy, integrated and extend the application in the cloud. You can extend through that only, you can access, you can deploy it, you can integrate it. Okay, and one more we have, it is called as a G2 Enterprises Cloud that delivers a powerful compute and networking performance. It is very important. If you want to be execute any organization, the networking is very, very important. So if you want, that is going to be support. It may be the building in the Oracle Cloud. So it is using in that compute and networking performance. Next, include the infrastructure and platform cloud service. It will give an infrastructure, how the infrastructure you require according to your data sets, how the infrastructure you want to build, you can, that the Oracle Cloud is going to be provided. And only one build to run Oracle Autonomous Database, but here only one, it is there, Autonomous Database with the help of the Oracle. Okay, this is all, it is very important when we are using for the Oracle Cloud. The next one we are used as IBM Cloud. Okay, here the IBM we are offers. So before, when you're going to that, in means when I come for IBM Cloud, I want to say that SaaS means software as a service. Okay, PaaS. Okay, platform as a service. Okay, IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. These three are, it is very important. One is the software as a service, platform as a service. The third one is the infrastructure as a service. These all very, very important. These things are available in the IBM Cloud. Okay, so in the IBM Cloud, when you see the deploy and access its resources such as storage, networking, and computer powers. Okay, it offers what all it is: infrastructure as a service and platform as a service. These two important services, it's available in the IBM Cloud. Not only that, deploy and access, it is a sources such as the storage, networking, and computing power. And moreover, helping home appliance, home manufacturers, we are using as a home manufacturer and retailer. When you want to be sell something, the retailer and the medical supply business also, with the help of the IBM cloud, we can use it because we have the infrastructure as a service, we have the platform as a service, so that you can use the home applicants. Okay, that home applicants are manufacturing anything you want to do, you can use a IBM cloud. And retailer, grocery, anything that you can use a IBM cloud. And medical supply business offer the best service with the price as a low as possible. So it is giving a very low price. That is very important. You may think that as we are using a cloud, it may be huge amount we need to pay. So they are saying how they're giving a comparison, your electric bill and water bill, how much you are using, that much you are going to get the bill. The same way, when you are using as a cloud, as a storage, according how much you are using, according to that you are going to get the bill. So this is the one very important. See, I told you how the cloud, I hope that up to now you studied many classes. Okay, many people, means there many faculty members are explained what is the cloud and how it is be working, what all it is. So it is, I explained just as a cloud provider. In that, lot more providers are available. In that mini mean 10 top 10, I taken that, just it was there. In that I explained only 3. That is very, very important: Amazon, AWS, Oracle Cloud, and IBM Cloud. In that IBM Cloud, that is very important. You have to know that software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Thank you, students.